Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the interesting things to look at this week will be, of course, Microsoft's Surface event. Will be kind of a Surface and Windows and AI type event coming this week on March the 21st. So that's going to be something we're going to talk about for sure. But now it turns out that according to The Verge, we have the Build conference coming up in May. But before it happens, there'll be a AI focused Windows event, and it's a Surface and Windows event. They will be looking at every little detail of AI through Windows, what is available on the different sides of our artificial intelligence that will be integrated. One of the things we are hoping to see is the AI driven File Explorer that apparently would show up, possibly there, and also possibly show up for what's coming later this year. And also, one of the interesting things about this is the fact that May is where we think Windows 11 24H2 is going to start to be sent out to OEMs, or the manufacturers of PCs. So I think it will be an event that will show some of the features and some of the things that should be in 24H2 coming up later this year. Of course, lots of talk of AI hardware too. So we're going to enter the era of Windows AI, as Microsoft says, but it will probably be divided into devices that can, which means devices that will have, neural processors so that they can actually do the AI stuff that they want, and those that will be simply going forward with the standard Windows with maybe less AI because the hardware will not have what it takes. So we'll see how this goes and what's going to be, on for some and maybe not for everyone. Or will they let it do it for everyone, but with less power if you don't have an NPU? Anyways, it's going to be interesting. So this week it starts with March 21st event. Then we'll go into the May and 20th event where it seems we're going to learn a lot more about AI and Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.